Hey gang, it's just me, Ghetto Mama, back again. Guess what? Snack time. I have one cut up Pink Lady apple and a little teaspoon of peanut butter. That's what I'm having for snack. Our little baby, she's over there, she's mad as hell. She wants pudding. She doesn't want to eat her food. But she needs to eat her food, right? Pink Lady apples are so good. So I'm dipping. Can't hardly bite it. I don't know why. So I feel that this is a good, inexpensive snack, low cal, well, medium cal, diet kind of snack. I'm having the incredible eats today. I just want to eat. I'm going to have a salad for supper. That's what I already decided. Someone's miserable because she wants pudding. I'm naughty. I joined a Facebook group this afternoon about how to make homemade McDonald's. Maybe that's what my problem is. I've been looking at Big Macs. Oh, don't cry.
You're not getting the pudding until you
That's how I feel. I want to cry because I can't have a Big Mac. Well, to spare you guys all her crying, I'm going to get off here. But I wanted to show you I have a Pink Lady crispy apple and a teaspoon peanut butter. And this is my low-cal, hopefully low-carb snack. Anyway, it's healthy because it's all natural. Nothing's processed. It's just real food. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later.